Welcome to the space for transformational leaders to unleash their magic, see better client results, work lighter, and live source. Creating a container for your new website or your rebrand or really whatever project you're working on is so important to the process. I'm Darla LeDoux. I'm the founder of Sourced, author of Shift the Field, where we teach transformational leaders how to shift the energy while doing a project or implementing something. And really, we're teaching our clients how to do this with their clients. But when you become masterful at how to shift the energy field for your clients, you also know how to create these containers for yourself. So I am in the process of creating a new website or updating and upgrading our website. So a little bit of background, I built our website really quickly. I didn't build it myself, birthed it when COVID started. So previously I had known in my heart and soul that I was building a brand called Sourced. I had gotten the trademark and the URL, but I hadn't done anything with it. I was kind of waiting for it to unfold. And I was operating under Retreat and Grow Rich, which is a program we have, and my first book, and kind of percolating this idea. COVID happened and people weren't clamoring to host retreats, and I knew it was time to create this new site. So I've lived with it now for 2 years, and we have really reinvented the work that we do over here, and it's time to refresh the website. Now I'm clear what we offer, who we're serving, exactly how we're serving, and even though things will evolve, there's a certain through line of knowingness that now needs to be reflected in the website. So because I've been operating the business for a while, my thought was this should be quick and easy. Okay, so have you ever had that thought where you want to step into a whole new level of something? We call it graduating yourself, when you get clear and you know it's time to take it to the next level. And then you think, this is just quick and easy. It can be quick and easy. However, I want to suggest that when we're elevating our message or taking a stand for something in a new way, we are aligning ourselves with a new vibration that will permeate our work, right? In my case, I was feeling like, oh, the vibration's already there. Now I just need the site to reflect it. And yes, this is true. However, what if it's a transformational process? See, we like to think of things just as doing and not consider the energy. And I teach this, and yet there was a part of me that thought, well, the energy is already there. All I need to do is create this new site. But there is an energetic birthing process that needs to be honored as well. So as a leader who is masterful in transformation, my question is, are you creating containers for yourself? So, one of the easiest ways, most effective ways to create a container for yourself is to hire someone who's masterful at holding a container for transformation. I'm biased. I think it's, us or one of our certified coaches who are trained in this approach to working, where we're looking at what's the energy you're embodying before we do any of the doing, right? That's the first and foremost recommendation. If you don't know those people, you can find them on our website, but if you don't know those people, or you kind of have your people, but they don't work energy first, they're not kind of transformational in nature, then you can create it for yourself by knowing how a sourced experience works and thinking about your website refresh or your rebranding project as a sourced experience. Meaning, there's going to be a truth that's been hidden from your view, in this case, about the website, a truth that's been hidden from your view that in the process of refreshing it is going to come to light, to be seen, to be transmuted, and to take the whole project to a whole new energy level. Now, when we know this is going to happen, our stress reduces tremendously, right? Because it's just part of the process. But when we're trying to get something done really quickly and not give it the time and space that it needs to really be a transformational experience, then we might miss it and we might feel a lot of struggle, right? Where something is off about how the project unfolds. And instead of going, oh, what is that? That's my contrast, right? That's helping me to see the truth I haven't wanted to see before. We go into making it wrong. Like, this should be easier. It shouldn't be so hard. Obviously, something's wrong here and we want to throw the whole thing out, or we want to power through or muscle through, when really it's an invitation to take the business to a whole new vibration. I'm curious your experience with this. I know for me, even though I teach this, there was this thought, oh, I'm just going to update this really quick, instead of giving it the time and love and attention that it deserves, because this is the platform that I'm clear is taking our company to a whole new place. So, what's true for you? And are you creating these containers? Whatever the project is, whatever the launch is, the new program, the new marketing approach, the upgraded messaging, are you giving yourself a container to nurture the energy at the new level? And if not, why? What's the belief there? Or what is it that you don't want to see that's ready to come forward to be transmuted? If you're looking for a container of support to align your energy to your new vibration, our Sourced Magic Business Program is the key place where we do that. It's 9 weeks to bring this here and allow it to transform and transmute. And it is the perfect jumping off point for any project, whether it's an updated website, new messaging, new program, new level of visibility in your work. You can find this over at sourcedexperience.com/SMB and get on our wait list for our next opening. This is Darla LeDoux, founder of Sourced, author of Shift the Field. I'll hold it up for fun since it's here, and we'll see you in our next video.